Okay everybody, welcome to the video. Today we're going to look at how to set the NVIDIA as a default graphics card in Windows 11. This is luckily very easy to do. The first thing you want to do is go into search, type in NVIDIA Control Panel here. Click on it. This will come up, configure surround PhysX, and right here under the PhysX settings you can choose the processor. This will be on auto select by default. If you have more than one GPU, it will be displayed here, but you want to choose whichever GPU you want to use. Hit apply and close it out. Now method number 2 is you want to go back to search, type in graphics settings here, open it. You'll see all of the computer programs here, and you can choose which program uses which GPU and at what performance. This is actually quite useful. This is a new thing in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So for example, Marvel's Spider-Man Remastered, which is a great game by the way, you can click on options and you can choose power saving or high performance. If you have more than one GPU, or if you have a GPU within your computer, you'll have more than this one option. You'll have a couple of options for each one. So choose whichever GPU that you want to use, hit save, close out of this. And method number 3, go back to search, type in device manager. And here you'll see display adapters. I only have one GPU, so my 4080 comes under here. But if you have more than one GPU, or if you have one GPU connected to your CPU, it will be under here as well. And this does cause some issues for some people. What you want to do is take the other GPU that you're not using, right click on it and say either disable device or uninstall device. And this should solve your problem. If it did, leave the video a like. If it didn't, leave the video a comment and I will do my best to get back to you.